Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a file location on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is ready before you proceed with the next steps. Once your PC is up and running, you're ready to find the actual file location of any app or file on your system. Start by navigating to your desktop and locate a sample file or app shortcut you want to find the location for. This could be any application icon or document you have saved. Alternatively, if you don't see the file on your desktop, you can use the search bar located on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Simply click on it and type in the name of the file or app you're looking for. Once the search results appear, you'll see your file or application listed. Now, right-click on the file or app from the search results. This action will bring up a small context menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Open File Location and click on it. This is the key step that will take you directly to where the file is actually stored on your computer. After clicking Open File Location, a new folder window will open. This folder shows you the exact installation or storage directory where your file lives within your entire system. You can now see the full path and all the other files that are stored in the same location. This is especially useful when you need to access additional files related to the app or when you want to manually manage or back up specific files. And that's it. You've successfully opened the file location on Windows 11 and can now access the folder where your file or application is stored. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.